Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing some more pumpkin makeovers, and today we are focusing on emojis because the world revolves around emojis. So first I'm painting this yellow pumpkin, and then I'm like, no, I need more than one. So I did a total of 3 yellow ones, and then I took some acrylic paint and painted another one red and one purple. You may already be guessing what the colored ones are for, but I don't know. So the first yellow one is going to be, that expression that you give when your friends start talking a lot of nonsense and you're kind of just like to the side. Well, so that's what this is. I don't know what it's called, but I know you guys done this before. So the eyes are gonna be a little arched, so it's like a little arch. And then I'm going to add a little circle at the ends to make them be looking, I guess that would be left or right, whatever, to one side. And I used the little picks that I've been using to detail stuff, but I feel like the pumpkins are really porous sometimes. Sometimes they're pretty smooth, but sometimes they have like a lot, like this texture, and it's really hard to get in there. So I just have to take my time pretty much. Styrofoam works like that anyway. So after I do this, I focus on the mouth, and now the mouth is kind of like an upside down smile. So it's like another arch, and we're gonna do, or maybe like a no, it's not a semicircle, but it's like a crescent. Yeah, let's go with crescent. And then we do 2 little arches for the eyebrows. These are like thin eyebrows, kind of like how I used them, in high school. And that's pretty much it. Now, there's a little bit of parts that are off, so I just go back with some yellow paint to clean it up. For the red one, I'm going to do, of course, the matte face. And the matte face is just 2 little oval eyes. And the eyebrows are like really close to the eyes because, you're kind of like squinting when you're mad. And so just 2 little lines for the eyes. I didn't do like a full eyebrow either. It's not like a whole little arch or anything like that. They're kind of just 2 little short lines. And we're gonna do again the upside down little smile to show the reverse, because we are not happy, we are mad. And I love his color. I think I wanted to shade it, but I haven't done this on a pumpkin yet, and I just didn't want to mess it up after I did the face. So I just left it alone. Maybe next time I'll go ahead and shade first before doing any of the detailing. So here with my dotting tool, you see I'm cleaning up whatever edges I'm not happy with, or if I want to thin it out, I just use that. The next pumpkin is going to be another yellow emoji, and here I'm just trying out something different. Like, I was trying out the little picks and I had a hard time, so then I started to use my dotting tool. It really didn't get any easier. I feel like just this batch of pumpkins were pretty textured, so they were a little difficult to draw on, but the more paint that I use, I feel like the smoother it went. So that worked out. So these are 2 little eyebrows, and they're like little tiny crescents that are off to the sides. And this is gonna be like that surprised face. And I'm going to, with the other side of my dotting tool, which is the bigger side, I'm just gonna draw on 2 white circles. And these are gonna be like the eyeballs. The eyeballs. And I try to make them similar in size as much as I can. Now, for the mouth, it's kind of like a rectangle, but like with round corners. So yeah, that was a little difficult. But once I got it the way that I wanted, I know that it has like flushed cheeks, kind of like embarrassed, like surprised, like I don't know. So I mixed a little bit of red and white, and of course, like always, I left it too dark. This is not the first time that I do this, so You know what? The problem is that there's a lot of light where I'm at, so it doesn't look as pink as you think. And then once you see it on, you're like, oof, too much, too much. So I just go back with some of that yellow paint and tone it down just a little bit once that paint dried. And now with the back of this pointy pick, I guess, I'm going to draw the circle in the eyes. And that's just like a black circle right down the middle. And yeah, there he is. That's me on most days. Perfect. So for the next pumpkin, so this is some Model Magic. If you don't have access to Model Magic, I have a video here in the channel where I show you how to make Model Magic-ish material with stuff that you probably have at home, so you can go ahead and take a look at that. So I'm going to do the little horns because this is like a little devil. I mean, it is Halloween, and yes, one is bigger than the other, but that's okay. And I'm gonna let them dry out for a little bit, and then I'm going to take the same steps that I did to do the little mat face. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do 2 circle eyes, or like oval, you get me. So the little oval eyes, and then I'm going to do, you know, the little squinted eyebrows. This was like, I just don't know what happened. There was stuff stuck in the paint. I don't know if it was me or if it was the pumpkin, if it was the paint. But yeah, painting these was a little bit challenging. I don't know what happened with this texture. So, all right, so after drawing on the eyebrows, I'm going to do a little smiley face because he's naughty. And so we're gonna do like a crescent again. I guess you could call it a crescent, or like a little arc, and then to make the smile. I did this slowly because on most of the mouths I've had to go back and clean them up a little bit because I do either like too thick or not thick enough. But so this worked out fine. Just take your time. Now I used super glue or nail glue or whatever you have that's instant glue, and to paste on the foamy horns, right? And then once I do this, I let them dry for like 2 seconds, and I try to reshape the horns a little bit because I know one is a little smaller than the other, but that's how that went. I'm going to paint them now. And this is great about foam. Like, the paint goes on real smooth and really fast. It dries really fast as well. So for the last pumpkin, I am going to do that like extra excited face. And I just take like my tool and do like a triangle, but without like the third side. So what is this called anyway? Yeah, like you use it in like math, but whatever this is called, that's what I drew. So 2 little peaks. It's like a little beak actually, whatever. And then I'm going to do a happy face, and I just did one like this for this is kind of like the same mouth as the little devil, but this one has to be more like almost like a semicircle because I want to add teeth in it, so it has to be like deeper or longer, maybe, I don't know, wider, I don't know. So yeah, I just gotta take it down a little bit lower so that I can fit some like teeth in there. So once I'm happy with the mouth, I put it to dry, and then I just very slowly and carefully, I add a white strip of teeth. Now you guys know that I'm like obsessed with like teeth. I actually growing up wanted to wear braces, but my dentist told me no because I didn't need them. But I always think your teeth could be straighter. Anyway, so yeah, pretty much it's just a straight white line. And that's that. And there they all are. They are so cute. I think these are actually my favorite up to now. I absolutely love them, and I feel like if you see them, you know exactly what emotion I'm trying to convey. Thanks so much for watching.